Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Chucky H the Gamer with another reaction video. It's all about Grenada Soca 2025. I bounced upon this song by Dirty Dog, Capital Jab, called Capital Anthem. So I want to react to that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe and comment. Let me know what songs you want me to react to. Alright, let's go. Spicemas calling. And they're driving the Lexus, manual Lexus car. Yeah. And they're repping Green's flag, boy. By the way, bro, you need to check that Lexus. You see much lights on the dashboard? That's how we do it in the Caribbean, isn't it? Pull up with the bad Lexus. Hey, watch them old time. No, them old time phone. You have to put like the 25 cents in it. Man. Phone now. What you do with that oil? Hold on. So, so the phone only working when you get all oil inside it with the money. Jesus Christ. That is when you know a phone is from Grenada. Jab phone and all of them. Capital. Hey, the rhythm so simple but bad. On the road, imagine that Juve morning, just a bounce. Capital, bad job. Man. Capital. If you don't love the job, then I don't know what you're gonna like. If you don't love job, then I don't know what else you're gonna like. I can see her chipping to down the road, Juve morning, coming down 5:30. Fully oiled up on your hair chain. Hey! Bad job, mad job, hey! C'est capital. What they calling for? All them ladies calling only for one job, boy. One job. The bongs, the bongs, Dum dum, dum dum, dum dum. On the road, capital.